Hello and welcome to this video. Maybe you know this lock. It's a size IKON with a very evil keyway. And when I started picking locks about 1 year ago, I bought those locks, so 2 of them, but I didn't manage to get it open. So I was frustrated and I made a video about it and asked you for help. So ask for lock pickers who were more skilled than I was to pick it and to show it to me how this lock can be picked open. I sent it around the world and some guys could pick it open, some did not. But there was no video about someone picking this lock until now. But recently lockpicking lawyer received the other lock and he managed to pick it open fairly quick. He made an awesome video about it, and this was the trigger for me to pull out my lock from the naughty bucket and to try picking it again. Right after his video, after me watching this video, I tried to get it open, and 40 minutes later it was open. So that video served as a great confidence booster for me, and maybe my skills have improved a little bit, but I think it's more that I've seen it can be opened, and so that was like a psychological issue, and I was convinced I would get it open after I've seen him picking it. And so it was, and now I will try to repeat my luck on camera again for you. So here's the lock clamped in the vise. Again, that's the key. Works and is locked up. Apply tension from the pin side. Protect the keyway. And use the hook number 7 from Peterson. Alright. Heavy tension. One is set. Oh, dropped pins. One is set again. So this lock has really tight tolerances. When you pick the wrong pin, you're facing the risk of dropping others. Okay. Although it's theoretically easy, oh great, sometimes I got problems to find the entries in the holes of the keyway. So got a false set. I'm searching now for a spool. Getting feedback here. Lost the full set. Hope that I did not overset that pin. Release tension a little bit because I've overset one came back, one is set again. I think that's 4. Okay, got 4. Okay, got my 4 set back. Any feedback here? And got a deeper 4 set. Alright. Oh, great. Feedback here. Not sure what happened. Okay, some pins dropped when I tested pin 1. Try to repair the situation. One is binding now. That's a bad sign. Guess I released tension. Maybe I have overset a pin, so let's see. Okay, one is loose now again because I could set it. Ha. Got my full set back. And open. Yeah! Haha! Cool. Alright. Now let's have a look at the inside. I know that I don't have that I should not turn it too much because there are trap pins. So I think I will better lock it back up. Yep, and yeah, and it's also easier to remove the clip. Okay, get the clip off. Need a pinning tray. Alright. Get the key. And follow. Alright. Turn it like so. Yeah, that should work. Alright. Aha, all 6 pins are in and working. Very nice. So let's... Oh, what was that? Ah, that was one of the trap pins. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There is another trap pin. Here are the holes for the trap pins. Okay. Oh, very strong springs. One is standard. Get the spring out. Two is a spool. 3 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 5 is a serrated, and 6 is a standard. Okay. All the springs out. These are very long and powerful springs. So let me arrange the pins for you. just quickly the pins. All key pins are standard. We have one as a standard driver pin, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3 and 4 are spools. 5 is a nicely serrated with sharp edges driver pin, and 6 is a standard. Here we have the trap pins. The Bible, nothing special, everything smooth. Here's the plug, also everything smooth. Here are the holes for the trap pins. Alright, haha, I'm happy, I can tell you. Out of my naughty bucket where it was for 1 year. Thanks to Lockpicking Lawyer for his great video that served as fantastic confidence booster for me to pick my own lock. Yeah, everybody else, thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye. Just reassembled the plug with the key pins and the drivers, and we can see that spool in stack number 2 is effective. Spool in stack number 3 is just a little bit inside, so it's not very effective. Very nicely deep inside the plug is the spool in stack number 4, and here we have this special driver pin with the tapered ends and the sharp edges. So let me quickly get rid of the drivers so I can show you how easy it is to access all the key pins. With the hook, here I have my hook, the thin one from Peterson that I used to pick it. You can see that it's actually pretty easy to access all the pins and lift them to the shear line. But of course, when the lock is picked, it's much more difficult, and yeah, you have to deal with the tight tolerances, so it's a tough lock. So thanks for watching, happy picking, bye bye.